Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to block websites on Chrome without extensions. Follow this step-by-step guide to do it. 1. Type Notepad in the search bar, right-click and select Run as an administrator, and then click Yes. 2. In Notepad, go to File and open the path C, Windows, System32, Drivers, etc. 3. Scroll down to the bottom, copy the address, add a space, and type 127.0.0.1. Add another space and enter the website you want to block. You can add more websites following the same pattern. 4. Save the file and close Notepad. 5. Close and restart your computer. 6. After restarting, try to open the block website. It should be inaccessible. And that's it, you've successfully blocked a website on Chrome without using extensions. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.